Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to fix the no internet connection error on Instagram. So let's begin the video. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Verify that you are connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try loading a web page or another app to check your connection. If your connection is unstable, try switching networks or restarting your router. Also, restarting your device can clear temporary glitches. Turn off your device completely, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Open Instagram and see if the error is resolved. Make sure airplane mode is turned off. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings menu. Ensure the airplane mode icon is not activated. Lastly, make sure your Instagram app is up to date. It might fix your problem. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.